Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new way to change your home island in Fish It Roblox. So with the latest update, you can finally set your spawn point to your favorite fishing spot. So no more long boat rides every time you join a server. Here I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first, you can just head into the Fish It settings, click on the gear icon at the top, and you'll find this option, Home Island. So you can set your home island, click on Open. So by default, your home island is the Fisherman Island, and in here you can change it to the other island with the requirement that you already finished 100%. So for example, I'm going to set the Ancient Jungle as my home island. You can just click on it. As you guys can see, you must complete the index for this area first. So it needs 100% first before you can select the place as your home island. But that's basically it. That's how you can set a new home island in Fish It Roblox. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.